Welcome. In this quick tutorial, we are going to show you that how to change birthday on TikTok. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the TikTok app. Click on the profile. Keep it in mind there is no option to change birthday on TikTok, but you can add this option by your own way. You have to click on the three lines which appear at the right top corner. Click on settings and privacy. Scroll this bar and you can see here report a problem. After clicking on this report a problem, you will see a lot of notifications here. You have to click on account and profile. After clicking on account and profile, you will see here edit profile. You have to click on edit profile. You can see there is no option that how to change birthday. That's why you have to click on others. After clicking on others, you will see there are no option to change birthday. That's why you have to click need more help. After clicking need more help, you have to write here I want to change my birthday and whatever you want. I want to change my birthday. You have to click on submit. That your report will be submitted and you will get notification how that after getting notification you have to click on that and change your birthday. Thank you so much. That was the easy procedure. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.